Have you visited one of our exhibitions about Islam yet? Muslim heritage is vast, from stunning architecture to groundbreaking discoveries. Yet, Islamophobia is rising, fueled by fear and misinformation. We are trying our utmost to combat this with Exhibition Islam, showcasing Islam's true legacy. But we can only do this with your help. Our 12 display cabinets, nearly 2 decades old, are failing us. 6 are too damaged to use. We urgently need to acquire new display cabinets to continue showcasing Islam and combating the negative narrative. Allah says in the Qur'an, "Invite people to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good counsel." The cost for 6 high-quality display cabinets is £4,950. Donate now to help us showcase Islam and fulfill your duty of spreading Islam today. Visit www.exhibitionislam.com/support us.